Hey guys, not done a video for a while, but this is going to be my New Year's Eve stash. Looking forward to setting off some of these bits. Not fired anything from Pyroworks as of yet, so looking forward to those raw rockets to finish the display. And the Ark Angle looks pretty good from them as well. But as we go through them, I've got a Cycwick fan. It should be pretty good. You've got Human Torch, Crazy Time, Mr. Fantastic, Thunderous Final, Ark Angle, Stand Aside, Professor X, Big Fish Boom Boom, and then I've got 4 of the King Reborn rockets. So that will be my New Year Eve stash.